special one. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 spots on that guy.
Beautiful British Columbia boasts a thriving fishing industry. Today we're with Organic Ocean learning a bit more about the spot prawns. Joining me on this adventure is my colleague, Carmen Ruiz-Laza.
We leave Falls Creek, Fisherman's Wharf next to Granville Island every morning about 6 a.m. We're back in around 1 p.m. with hopefully a load of big, beautiful spot prawns. And what's super cool is a lot of the restaurants we supply these prawns to, you know, they're 10 minutes from the dock. So they can actually tell their customers with a straight face, the prawns we're eating at dinner were in the ocean 3-4 hours before that.
So the water is chilled down inside the life tank, so it's like 0 degrees in there, and we have a spray pump that sprays water over it to get it aerated, and it'll keep the prawns alive.
Look at this. That's a proper jumbo-sized prawn. Proper.
We have a little bit of bycatch, this little guy here. You come up in the trap with these prawns, we pick him up, we throw him away, he swims away happily. Spot prawn fishery is very sustainable in that regard. Very sustainable, very minimal bycatch, and when you do catch it, it survives.
Each string's got 50 traps, and that's another reason the spot prawn fishery is so sustainable, is very regulated in terms of the amount of gear you can start with. You've got 6 strings and 50 traps, so you start the season with 300 traps. And as the season goes along, they'll be checking, DFO checks the spots, identifies the number of males, which is basically a younger population of spot prawns. They start out as males and transition to females over the course of their lifespan. So when you start to pick up more males, that means the spot's getting younger and you need to close it down.
This is what it's all about, right? This is what all the noise is about. All the frenzy. That little guy right there. You're gonna have breakfast
raw?
straight up.
Okay. I can taste the ocean in there. It's so sweet. I've never had that before. That's a first.
That's a Tuesday morning stinger. That's a red jellyfish, and it don't feel good when it hits your skin.
You ever been hit by one of those?
A couple times.
Many times.
Sold. You can't get fresher than this.
I know, every other shrimp.
See, what we do is we put in here about 10 pounds. We get a nice wash.
Last spring it was reported the spot prawn industry brought in over $50 million.
We can't wait to enjoy some of these ones with a little fresh butter. From here in beautiful British Columbia, it's Carmen and I, Joy Television.